Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Mark, Mr. 308, and today we have a special or a fun day. We're gonna have a fun day. We are going to Druten Metrolpole. No, I have to say it correctly. We're going to Metrolpole in Druten, a little place here in the Netherlands. And Metrolpole is a museum, and that museum has like a temporary collection of 40 Ferraris. Now it's very early, it's a long drive for me. I'm gonna pick up first a friend, then we're gonna go to a place called Gorkum. You know it, where the Ferrari is. We're gonna meet up with Mark, the guy you've seen lots of time on this channel, and his son, and then we're gonna drive to Druten. How did the Dutch people come up with these names? But I'm still very tired, a little bit of a headache, because I still have a little bit of a cold. I always have, but that's okay. Yeah, just have some fun, take a look at Ferraris. This is the last day. There's quite an interesting collection over there with really cool Ferraris, like the 275 GTB that has been found in a barn. A recreation of the 250 GTO, LaFerrari, I think 40, everything you can think of will be there. I am excited. It's Ferrari time. Well guys, we have arrived at Metrolpole in Druten. Yeah, of all places. Somewhere in the Netherlands. What a fantastic place. We've got my pals right here, Mark and Peter. Say hi, Mark.
Hi, Mark.
Say hi, Peter.
Hi.
And we got here. This is going to be sick. This is going to be sick. Let's just go in and see what the collection is all about. Normally, these Ferraris will be tucked away in closed garages during the winter time, but here at Druten we can admire a large collection of Ferraris. More than 40 pieces of Ferrari history, ranging from the legendary 1992 F92A driven by Jean Alesi to the latest horse from the stable, the 4-door SUV or FUV, Ferrari like to call it, the Puro Sangue. It's not only Ferrari we can find here, but you can find a lot of fantastic automobiles at Metrolpole. Even without the Ferraris, this place is definitely worth a visit. guys, that was only part 1 of the video. What an amazing collection. Cars ranging from the S40, the LaFerrari once owned by Fernando Alonso. It was even etched in the steering wheel. Yes, I know I'm not very good at filming, especially inside, but I tried my best. But what a collection. We got a 250 GTB, a short wheelbase, 12 million euros that car is worth. It's like, oh. You got a 275 GTB from the Barn Find collection. I don't know if you remember that one, but in 2004 there was a barn destroyed. Lots of cars were Ferrari collections. It was a Ferrari collection. It was put away in a shed and was found last year and auctioned. And well, they got one at Metrolpole. It's going to be restored next year. It's a 275 GTB alloy. It has a steel nose right now, but they're gonna put on back. They're gonna put a alloy noise back on the car. Yeah, we got a fake 250 GTO, lovely specimen, but it was a little bit tucked away. And when you know it's fake, it suddenly loses. Yeah, sorry, but lots of great cars. We got a green 456 ex Prince Bernhard car, very lovely, strange color, but yeah, it has something. But never mind, it's so much to see. Let's go to part 2. What's wrong here? Ben je nou niet benieuwd wat op dat was? Ja. Staat hetzelfde. Nothing. Wait. Oh, wait. Okay, somebody here was very drunk. They put the badge from the front on the back, and the badge is from the back on the front. Something's not right here. Look at the exhaust. It must be a replica or something.
Ja, dat is geen echte.
Well, and of course we needed to do a little photo shoot. Well, that was a hell of a collection. I didn't even know where to look. Very strange that Ferrari 250 GT with the badges from the back on the front. Something was not right. I think it's a replica, must be, or a recreation, but it was wrong and it's painful to watch. Never mind, it was a fantastic collection. I hope you liked the video. See you again next time and hey, goodbye.